Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to cash on delivery on Aliexpress. First, find the product that are qualified for Aliexpress direct shipping. COD can be only used for product that qualify for Aliexpress direct shipping. The COD is available between the order amounts. The system will use Aliexpress Direct as the default shipping logistic, but you can change your shipping preference on the item detail page. Then add the product to the chart. They can be from different stores. Now, choose the cash on delivery payment method. After that, input the 6-digit code sent to your phone number to make an order. Next, you'll receive a package notification within 9 days when it's ready to ship to your city. Open the app and confirm your order details easy: phone number, address, product, and price. In the next step, reply to confirm that you want to order before it ships. Without a reply with confirmation that you want your order, that order will be cancelled. The courier will call you to confirm the delivery time. Your package will be delivered within 2 days after setting the delivery time. It will provide an unconditional coupon for the same amount as your refunded order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.